In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your name on Threads. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, if we open up Threads app, we can go to our profile and then tap at Edit Profile. Right here we can easily find the name feature. However, if we tap on it, it says that your name is linked to your Instagram account and cannot be changed here. So in order to change our name, we need to go to Instagram, then Instagram profile, Edit Profile, and that's where we can change our Instagram and Threads name. You can clear that entire name and enter new one, and once you've done with that, just tap at Done to save it. And then if we go back to Threads, we can see that the name has been changed.